Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake on a gas stove. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring they are at room temperature for a smooth batter. Prepare your springform pan by greasing it and wrapping the bottom in foil to prevent leaks. For the crust, mix crushed graham crackers with melted butter, then press it firmly into the pan. This creates a delicious base for your creamy cheesecake. Now, let's create that luscious filling. Beat your softened cream cheese until it's incredibly smooth with no lumps. Slowly add the sugar, mixing just until combined. Then, gently incorporate the eggs, one at a time, being careful not to overmix. Finish with a splash of vanilla extract and a hint of lemon juice to brighten the flavors. This careful mixing prevents cracks. Baking cheesecake on a gas stove requires a water bath. Place your foil-wrapped springform pan on a trivet inside a large pot with a tight-fitting lid. Carefully pour hot water into the pot, reaching about 1/3 of the way up the sides of the cheesecake pan. Cook on the lowest possible heat setting, ensuring the water maintains a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. This gentle heat ensures even cooking. Once cooked, turn off the heat and let the cheesecake cool gradually inside the pot with the lid on for about 1 hour. This prevents cracking. Then, remove it from the water bath and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Before serving, carefully run a thin knife around the edge of the pan. Slice and enjoy your perfectly baked, creamy cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.